In this video, all I want to do is just a quick message to parents about college apps and AI. So when you think about how AI might fit into your child's college application journey, I just want you to think about it as a 24/7 helper that's always there. And I think there's no better way to illustrate this point than thinking about what the process would look like for students going through college applications before 2024 compared to 2024 and beyond. So the traditional way of approaching college applications, which is what I did, for example, is you'll have some adult, or maybe the child is just doing it themselves, but they'll figure out their way through essays. And whether it's a private consultant on the side or college counselors that are working at the school, they will help the student go through the initial iterations of their essay. That's everything from brainstorming to V0 to V1 to V2. And honestly, a lot of the advice that is going to be given to your student is going to be the same stuff because a lot of students, their initial draft looks the same and often has the same errors. And so the types of feedback that they'll be getting is going to be a lot of the same. And so that precious time that you have, whether it's with your college counselor or a private consultant, or even as a parent, maybe you're helping your child, a lot of that might be wasted just because the same repetitive feedback is being given to the student. And so the nice thing is that shifting to 2024 and beyond, AI is fantastic at handling this initial part of the process, and they can help the student go from a brainstorming all the way to a V10. And then from there, once the student essay is really, really good, then whether it's you as an adult or a private consultant or a college counselor with their precious time, by the way, college counselors at high schools are fantastic at what they do. They've been helping for students for many, many years, and they are really, really good. So if the student is coming in with a better essay that's already been run through a couple times with AI with some improvements, and the student has kind of learned what makes a good essay, then the counselor is going to be in a fantastic place to take it from a V10 to, let's say, a V20, instead of using their time to just go through brainstorming all the way to V2. And so that's kind of how I want you to think about AI, is it's not a full replacement for what exists in the process already, but rather this 24/7 helper that's always there to support your child. And so just a quick introduction to what this platform is what we've done is we've built an AI model that has been trained on thousands of past successful college applications. And so instead of just being some regular AI model that's out there, that has all the biases out there in the world, we've actually refocused the AI model specifically on understanding what makes a successful college application. And so it's any AI working in tandem with a college counselor together that gives your student the safety blanket and safety net that they need to be fully supported throughout the process. And so my goal here, and kind of the goal of Athena, is to take a little bit of stress off your shoulders, because I know going through the college application process for both students and parents alike is very, very stressful. Having that 24/7 support, I think, really takes some of that burden and stress off your shoulders, knowing that you have a trusty, reliable helper at any time that you need without costing like an arm and a leg of some sort. So that's all I just wanted to say, but good luck in this upcoming application cycle. You guys are going to do great, and have a good one.